single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hello people.
Hello.
Hey. We arrived in St. Kruis, where there are 2 bunkers.
At the cemetery.
At the cemetery also, yeah. It's World War II bunkers. Yeah. And we will have a walk around here and show them to you. So enjoy this and let's see you later.
See ya.
Is there an entrance? Huh? Oh, there's a lot of debris in there.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna have a look first.
You're going there?
Yeah.
Okay, Tin is going in. I don't know if you can go further or anything. So, no. If it's too dangerous, come back, okay? Watch out for pits and everything like that. There are holes in there, Martine. Watch out. Huh?
If you give me your cam, I will
Is it clear or dark?
a little bit dark.
But this cam can do it, so... Hey, come here, Smurf. Wait. Hold it very good, okay?
Yeah.
It's normally you put it around your arm, but it's still filming, so...
Okay, it's no problem.
2 hands.
2 hands.
Under the lens. Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
And don't bump into the walls. Please, with my camera.
I will be careful.
Yeah.
It's not easy, but...
Do you see something on it?
Yeah, one moment. I have to look. Watch out where I have to put my feet.
Far. 2 hands to the cam, please.
This is a lot of debris in it, but I can't see anything else. It's just an opening. I'm stuck. Yeah. No. I can't get any farther also because it's all closed here. It's closed up. There's a wall in here, so and it was dripping. I will come back, and there's a wire in here. I have to watch out.
Hand me the cam.
I will hand it over.
Yeah, wait, but closer because I can't get in. I'll put the lens in my hand.
Oh my god.
Okay, there we go. Wait, she is coming back. There she is. Did you see something in there, or was it too
There
dark?
were only separate rooms.
Yeah.
Little small rooms. That was it.
Okay, so as you see, it's actually a very, very large bunker. There's a lot of doors closed also. But as it seemed, the back door was open. See this, people? I think I'm gonna make some drone shots also. Is it behind there something to see, or just the sides? Yeah. Check this, how big this is. It's actually unbelievable how big it is, huh? Yeah, large bunker. They also closed one door here with cement of concrete, and over there's also a door closed with concrete. And then you have the bunker itself. So large, unbelievable. Huh? Yeah, it's on the cemetery. How strange.
We will be lucky.
Yeah, I don't think so, but you know, you have been in one, so that's cool. The other one, we'll have to see what is possible or not, but I didn't realize they were so big, you know. Yeah, that's from, these two are from World War II, so I don't know what they were. I'm gonna look it up and then I tell it. But yeah, strange also. Check this, people. And actually on the cemetery. So weird. Yeah, I never seen that before. There's also a school behind it. Yeah. There it also stops, you see. Oh, is a cat there? Oh yeah, let's have a look closer. Yeah, it's a little cat down there. Hello, pussy. She's looking to the dog.
Yeah, she does.
I guess. This is so great. Hmm? I think it's nice weather. I'm gonna have the drone up.
Yeah.
Check it out. Oh, there's another car like ours, but
The new model.
no, it's not the coupe version. Look, there's the school actually. You can see the school there.
This hole in the walls on the bunker. Oh,
Yeah, that's ventilations. Yeah,
okay.
there were ventilation systems.
Okay.
It's actually in the back of the garden of these people.
Private property.
Yeah, and there's a big wagon here for the people that work at the cemetery. Yeah, the men that work there. So yeah, it's a very lovely place. Serene and silent. Huh? This is a place where there's a bomb laying from the Second World War, and some leftover from an artillery bunker. So this is where there was a cannon standing. There's some information also here on the plate. Let's see what they say about it. It's the bomb. Some information. So this is actually a gun nest from a German marine base here in 1940, and they built this around the castle here, the Linden, and it was also a base to listen to the Allies and to bail their ships and everything, see if the ships are coming with raiders. And yeah, as you can see, this is the castle, totally destroyed. Some houses, and yeah, these bombs were dropped here. There's Martine sitting on the bench. So we're back in the car. We have visited the bunker. There were also drone shots for you guys. Of course, don't forget to subscribe our channel. I see there's a lot of people watching but not subscribing yet, so do that for us. It's very important, and you will get a notification if we come with a new video almost every week. So I would say have a nice day, and until the next time, bye bye. And of course we have, oh, where is she? Oh, she's hiding. There's our little dog.
Yeah,
she had also fun. She's tired, so
yeah.